Brahms, French fries, crispy chicken sandwich, spicy chicken sandwich. Let's give it a go, you guys. I don't know. Let's see what's up. Recording.
Calling the Super 8 Motel in Muskogee, Oklahoma. If you know your party's room number, you may dial it at any time. For immediate personal assistance, please press 0 or stay on the line. Please hold. There may be a silence while your call is transferred. Super 8 Muskogee, may I help you?
Yes, sir. I just called a little bit ago. I was gonna grab you a burger.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So I'm at Braum's, man. My wife doesn't believe me, so so
Believe
just
you what?
that you wanted me to bring you a burger.
Yeah, I've got cash right now.
Okay. So question
Yeah,
is,
give me a
what
1-6 burger with cheese and anything, and fries, and that's it.
1-6 burger with cheese and fries
Yeah, I think it's the number 12.
from Braum's. Braum's. Okay. And you are at what hotel is it again? Because I was calling
Super 8
someone.
Motel.
Super 8 Motel. All right, buddy.
You're gonna get out of the parking lot, take a right going south, and you're gonna go past Motel 6, and there'll be one more stoplight. You keep going past that, and it'll be like you're going back out of town, but it'll be on the left-hand side at one more stoplight.
Okay. All right, buddy. I'm gonna order your 1-6 burger with cheese and fries, and we'll be there as soon as possible.
Dude, you're awesome. I really appreciate this.
No problem. Hopefully you trade me for a room.
Oh, absolutely. I'll take good care of you, I promise.
All right. Thanks, boss. I'll see you in a little bit.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
So my wife didn't believe me that I called this place to see if they have any rooms available because we're driving back to Rockford, right? And I was like, cool, you have enough rooms. I'm going to go grab a bite to eat and then we'll check in. And he's like, where are you going to eat at? And I was like, I don't know, someplace local. And he's like, well, there's a really good burger place. It's called Brahms. That's local. And I was like, okay, we'll probably go there then, and then we'll head right over. And, I apologize for the late check-in. And he's like, do you mind bringing me a burger? I was like, really? I was like, okay, are you serious right now? And he's like, yeah. I was like, okay, but my wife didn't believe me, so I had to call him again to verify, and so that you guys could see this, because we're going to order his 1-6 burger with cheese, french fries, deliver it, and see what happens. Follow me. So I'm waiting for my man's burger, and I ventured over into the little store that's attached to the little fast food joint. Literally, nothing but ice cream. And, they have normal stuff, but more ice cream. How crazy is this? They must really like their ice cream. This is, I've never seen a little store where it's 1, 2, 3, 4 aisles of different types of ice cream. And while every row is the same, but they're all different ice creams. These are all the sherbets. That is pretty awesome. I have to say, that is, if you like ice cream and you're ever in Oklahoma, Texas, or whatever, they got Brahms. Check it out. See what I mean? Okay, no. That's one row, right? That's one row? Okay, keep going. Dude, 281. My man. We got my man's burger. Let's go deliver. Nah. Okay. So we are gonna go deliver this from Brahms. Look at that. Brahms. Middle of Oklahoma. My man said he wanted a cheeseburger and fries from Brahms. So we're delivering it. Let's see what he trades us.
And you're on.
Okay, so we got my man's 1-6 cheeseburger and fries from Brahms. So I gotta explain this, all right? Because when I was in a restaurant, I couldn't explain it, and I thought the dude was messing with me. But here's what happened. We're on our way home from Texas. We driving home. We're going through Oklahoma. We're tired. We left Dallas maybe 4 or 5 hours ago. And we were up until 7 o'clock in the morning. Shout out to Corey McLaurin, by the way, because my man got us a VIP table right next to Trey Songz, and the man performed right from the VIP area. 2 Chainz was in the house, and countless other people from influencers or whatnot from the Dallas area that I'd just rather not mention. But it was dope, and it was at an after party, or it was at an after set place that is open from 2 until 5, but we didn't know that going into the night. Regardless, we didn't get back to the hotel until 8 o'clock. We had to leave the hotel by 11 a.m. And then 2 p.m. we got on the road because we had to make a stop. Got on the road back to Texas, or out of Texas, back towards Rockford. We're tired. We want to sleep, so I'm calling around hotels on the way, and we call this hotel, and the man tells me, yeah, there's enough rooms. No worries. We got you. And I was like, okay, because I want to grab a bite to eat real quick. And he's like, yeah, go right ahead. He's like, where are you going to go? I was like, probably someplace local. I don't like national chains or anything like that. He's like, Brahms has the best cheeseburger and fries, better than any fast food restaurant ever. And they have amazing ice cream. I said, really? He's like, it's just maybe about 2 miles up the road. And, if you do happen to go there, if you pick me up a cheeseburger and fries, I'll pay you back cash when you get here. And I was like, really? Really? Like, people don't do that, you know what I mean? It just doesn't happen. I guess in Oklahoma it does happen. I don't know. Anyway, I thought he was just pulling my leg, right? So, is that it right there?
I think so.
That's it right there. So I was like, you know what? Let me do this. Screw it. So I called him back just to verify, hey, I forgot what you ordered. That's the video that you've seen inside of the restaurant. Now I'm gonna see how he treats us, man. We're gonna deliver this burger and see what's up. And hopefully, maybe I can trade it for a free room tonight. I don't know. But stay tuned. I'll keep you updated. That's just the right kind of thing that happened to a foodie guy. You know what I'm saying? I think that food brings us together. It really does. Even if it's a cheeseburger from Brahms. By the way, the ice cream footage, how crazy is that? I've never been into a I thought it was like a gas station pit stop or whatever, right? Because it looks like that. It looks like a Denny's with a little corner store inside. So I thought, okay, I'm going to grab me some Tums because I need me some Tums. But I'm walking through there, no Tums in sight. Not one. Why? Because they have 7 coolers full of ice cream. So, all right, we're here. I don't know if he'll let me record him, but we'll see what happens. Just stay tuned, people.
All right.
My man, is this the place that's waiting on a cheeseburger?
Absolutely. My name is Philip.
Hey, Phil. There you go, man.
My fries.
1-6 cheeseburger and fries. So, thank you for introducing us to Brahms, because that place was...
It's a bomb.
I see.
Love that place. I love that place.
So I found out it's not local. It's actually like a local franchise, Texas, Oklahoma,
Yeah, surrounding states. Yes.
surrounding states. But very unique. Tons of ice cream.
Yeah, over 30 some odd ice cream options, everything. They're only fresh market, everything. They offer steaks, all kinds of other stuff.
Yeah.
Vegetables and all kinds of good stuff.
So are you just starving or are you a foodie? Do you love to eat?
I love to cook and I love to eat.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So,
Well,
yeah.
we're gonna have to have a conversation.
Before you came, I actually made some I cut up some pepperoni and made scrambled eggs in the microwave. And so, yeah.
Okay.
So, no,
Well, I'm gonna have my wife stop recording. I just wanted you guys to see, man. It's a real thing. Food brings people together, and that's awesome.
Absolutely right.
So until next time, people, love, peace, and taco grease. 2 room keys, okay? All we had to do was bring this man a cheeseburger and fries. You just never know how hungry a man can be. He can't leave his post. Never mind the cheeseburger. Never mind the fact that it was weird. Can I just say on this trip, it's been horrible at times. And we just left Texas, right? Texas, very political, people are just negative down there. I don't know what it is. But for somebody to reach out to me as a human, not as an employee, and say, hey, dude, I'm hungry too, and half jokingly, half serious, you could just tell. The fact that he did that, it woke me way up. I was literally on my way here just to sleep because I couldn't even stay awake. Now I could probably, just off the energy of what just happened, I could totally just keep driving all the way home. It brightened up my night, and the dude is so appreciative. It's awesome. Humans being humans, and if it had to happen to somebody, it had to happen to the Rockford foodie, man. I'll leave you guys with that. This was awesome. Shout out to Super 8 in Muskogee,
Oklahoma.
in Muskogee, Oklahoma. I forgot where I was at for a second, but shout out to Phil. Super 8, Muskogee, Oklahoma. If you've never been, hey, this is a place. The dude is hilarious. The dude is awesome. I'll leave you guys with that. Until next time, people, love, peace, and taco grease.